stove. This is a Kettle Hobo Stove, and basic idea, as we all know, that will go inside there, and then you can cook something on top. But I think we've all been missing a trick on this. Alright, what I think we've been missing is this very good standalone pot stand. Totally secure. If you just happen to have one of these, a alcohol stove, then that will fit as a standalone, in which you can cook your lunch. It's not going to go anywhere. So I was giving it some thought, and I was thinking, well, as a standalone, what else would it fit in? Would it fit in another pot? Is it actually useful as a standalone? And so I've been looking at some other things. Now, this is 135mm from there to there, and on the bottom is 153mm. I just happen to have Avenue 1300mm titanium pot, and I was wondering if it fits. There's your answer. Absolutely perfect. So, did it go on? Yep. So, you've got an all-in-one stove and pot combo. Plenty of room inside to put all your odds and sods. Most of us own a billy can of some description. This is the 14cm one. I was wondering if it would fit inside. Let's give it a go. Take the tray out. There we go, there you have it. It fits inside. Will the lid go on? Not very good, but it will turn upside down and fit perfectly. Of course, you'd struggle to use this at the same time, I guess. Oh, hello. There you go. If you've got some handle clips, clip that on. Might just about work for you. So, you could possibly carry your dish, carry all your gubbins inside, got yourself a robust pot support, utilising something you may already own. So, what about if, like me, you own 16cm billy can? Will it work with a Kettle Hobo Stove? Should we find out? Take that bad boy out. In he goes. Slides down in the bottom, no problem at all. That's actually quite good. So there you have it. You've got yourself a robust pot stand for your billy can. That you can use with alcohol. Right. Well, I'm hungry and it's time for breakfast.